Friend let me try out this Browning Gold Medalist. It's a match pistol, right? 22. I'm going to try and shoot Osama a little better now. There's only one shot in it? It's going to jam. Oh, got it. That thing feels smooth. I like that a lot. Go check it out. Got it. I think there's another live round on the ground.